Nestled on the quiet shores of Lake McCusick in historic Stillwater is this beautiful home. Grand and open, the living room features gleaming oak hardwood floors, a beamed cathedral ceiling, and a stunning brick fireplace. The updated kitchen showcases silestone countertops, ceramic floors, and an island bar. Natural light pours into the dining room adjacent to the three-season sunroom. From an intimate gathering of family to a boisterous group of friends, entertaining is easy in the spacious great room. The lower-level family room is centered around a brick fireplace and provides access to the backyard. Escape to the serenity of the master bedroom featuring rich hardwood floors and a walk-in closet. Panoramic lake views and cool evening breezes make the sunroom a relaxing retreat from spring to fall. Step off the wraparound deck and enjoy a romantic stroll along the lakeshore walking trail. With a private, peaceful setting and quality craftsmanship, this amazing home is truly a timeless beauty. Welcome home.